That is in X and Y sentence.
Students, teachers, principals. They are the main players in the school environment. But there's another critical group without whom a child's academic success is highly impossible: parents.
If you want your children to come up to something, there has to be a combination, a close relationship between the parents and the school.
The parent is the first and most important teacher in a child's life.
Many will agree to the truth of this statement. Whether through biological parents or guardians, children learn first at home from their caregivers and then express learned habits to the wider society. This is the reason it's so important for parents to actively participate in their children's education.
Many of us are not as good parents as we need to be, you know. Many of us believe that we just send the people to go to school and give them something and teacher must do the rest. It can't go that way.
When you go to school and you find out from the teacher how your child is doing, if they're weak in an area, then you can always help them better at home. So it's something that is very important. When a child sees their parent coming to school to make sure that they're doing well or to participate in an activity that they're doing, then it says to them, hey, my mom or my dad loves me, or they care about what I'm doing in school.
There are several ways in which parents can play a supportive role at their children's school.
Become a parent volunteer in the classroom, a grade volunteer, and just try to get more involved with the school community. So if there's something going on, if there's an event going on at school, then you can always volunteer in that area also.
You could also become a member of the school's sport program. Start this early and maintain the practice all the way through the various grade levels. Also, develop a relationship with your child's class teacher. His or her phone number should be stored in your contacts book, and it's important to have constant dialogue with the teacher to ensure that your child is performing at their utmost academically and emotionally.
Perhaps there is something, a weakness about your child or a strength that you'd want to communicate to your teacher. Perhaps you want that teacher to know that your child will be better at the front of the class rather than at the back, or pay a little bit more attention in this area. So you go and you communicate that to the teacher, and if throughout the term you're finding that your child is not doing well, you find out what is going on.
Some schools are using social media to keep connected with parents and students. If your child's school has a Facebook account, like their page. Several schools also produce newsletters. Subscribe to their publication. You could even contribute an article or pictures for the newsletter. And one surefire way of being involved at your child's school is by joining the Parent-Teacher Association.
We're trying to re-energize the PTA to involve the teachers more, to involve the parents, where parents can come and talk about their concerns, parental issues, not understanding what's going on right now. So no, the PTA is not just about fundraising and to voice a negative opinion about a teacher. And it's not PA, it's not just Parents Association, it's Parents Teachers Association. So we're encouraging not just parents to come out and attend the PTA, but for teachers to come out so that they can also develop that relationship with parents.
When a parent becomes involved at their child's school, rich rewards await. No doubt the child will excel academically, emotionally, and spiritually. So parents, just as you have worked hard to ensure your children get the necessary school supplies, make sure they also get your emotional support and close personal contact. Check in at your child's school periodically and keep abreast of all the happenings.